Hello students, now we are going to look integral of the type integration 1 upon a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c dx, and if this b equal to 0, then integral will be of the form 1 upon a sin square x plus c, and if this a equal to 0, then integral will be of the form 1 upon b cos square x plus c. So let's check the rules to solve this type of integral. So first rule is divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So here we will divide cos square x, and in the denominator also we will divide to each term by cos square x. So again we have this cos square x get cancelled. So here we get 1 upon cos square x means sec square x, this is dx, and in the denominator sin square x upon cos square x means tan square x, and this cos square get cancelled. So simply we will write b, and c upon cos square means sec square of x. So integral will be of this form. Now next step is replace sec square x by 1 plus tan square x in the denominator only. So in the numerator we will keep as it is. In the denominator we will replace this by 1 plus tan square x. And here we will write 1 plus tan square x like this. And third step is put tan of x equal to t, and so we have sec square x dx equal to dt. So this numerator will become dt, and here denominator will be in the form a1 t square plus b1. You can understand a1 and b1 are constant, so they may be plus or minus. And then you have to use that 7 integral formula, and you have to solve by the regular way. This is our first example, integration 1 upon 4 plus 3 cos square x. This is in the form a cos square x plus b. So we will divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, and therefore I is equal to, in the numerator 1 upon cos square x, and in the denominator we will separately divide. So here 4 upon cos square x and plus 3 upon cos square x dx. Now this cos square x get cancelled, and again in the next step 1 upon cos square x means we will write sec square x into dx upon, again this is 4 sec square x plus 3, and again in the next step we are replacing this sec square x by 1 plus tan square x. So instead of sec square x, 1 plus tan square x, and this is plus 3. Again simplify this denominator. So multiply 4 to tan square x. So 4 tan square x, and 4 ones are 4 plus 3 7. Put tan of x equal to t, and therefore sec square x dx equal to dt. Therefore tan of x equal to t and t, and we will substitute this here. Now check, this is dt upon again 4 t square plus 7. Now we will make coefficient of t square 1, so we will take this 4 common out, and so now again keep this constant term in the square form. This is root 7 upon 2 bracket square. So this is in the form 1 upon x square plus a square. So we will use first formula, and its answer is 1 upon a. A means this root 7 upon 2 tan inverse of t upon a. A means root 7 up, and then we will write plus c. And again in the last step, check here, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so we will write 1 upon 2 root 7 and tan inverse of and this 2 will go upside, so we have 2t upon root 7 and then plus c. But this answer is in terms of t, so again in the last step we will substitute. T means tan of x, and so here we will write 2 tan of x upon root 7 and then plus c. This is our final answer. Let's solve now this second example, and here we can observe this first term is not in the square form. So we will use identity cos of 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. We will substitute this and we will transform this integrand into standard form. And so cos of 2x, here I am writing 1 minus 2 sine square x and then plus 3 sine square x dx, and now simplify. Minus 2 plus 3 plus sine square x dx, and now this is in the standard form a sine square x plus b, and so we will divide by cos square x on numerator and denominator. Therefore, here we will divide by cos square x, and again in the denominator this is 1 upon cos square x, and plus second term is sine square x upon cos square x and dx. And again 1 upon cos square means sec square x. So this is equal to sec square x, and in the denominator 1 upon cos square means again sec square x, and sin square x upon cos square x means tan square of x. Next step is we have to substitute this sec square x as 1 plus tan square x. So we get the denominator as 1 plus tan square x, and this is tan square x. Here also we have to write dx, and now we will add up this. So we have denominator 1 plus 2 tan square x, 1 plus 2 tan square of x, and now here we will substitute tan of x equal to t, and hence sec square x dx equal to dt. Now we will substitute these two things here. This numerator is dt, and in the denominator 1 plus 2. Now tan square x means t square, and now this is in the standard form, but check the coefficient of square term. This is 2. We have to make 1. So we will take this 2 common out. So 1 upon 2 integration dt, and here we will divide by 2, and this is t square. So we get the denominator 1 upon 2 plus t square. Now we will keep this first term in square form. This is in the form of first standard integral formula 1 upon a square plus x square, or x square plus a square. So this is 1 upon 2 as it is, and we will use formula 1 upon a. A means 1 upon root 2, and tan inverse of t upon 1 upon root 2, and then we will write plus c. Now check here, this root 2 get cancelled with 1 root 2 of this. So again we have 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of, and this root 2 will go upside. So we have simply root 2 into t and plus c. This is the final answer, but this answer is in terms of t. So again we will substitute t as tan x. So check here, 1 upon root 2 tan inverse. This also root 2 as it is, and here we will substitute t means tan of x plus c is the final answer. This is our third example, and now check the integrand. This is not in the standard form, so in the denominator we will use identity sin 3x equal to 3 sin of x minus 4 sin cube x, and so the denominator is 3 sin of x minus 4 sin cube of x dx. Now from the denominator take sin of x common. So in bracket 3 minus this is 4, and here sin square x will remain and this bracket complete. Now upside downside this sin x get cancelled. Now this is in the form a sin square x plus b, and so we will divide numerator and this denominator by cos square x. And therefore in the numerator 1 upon cos square x, and here also we will divide by cos square x in minus 4 sin square x upon cos square x. Now 1 upon cos square x means sec square x, and here also 3 sec square x minus 4 again sin square x upon cos square x means tan square x, and then substitute sec square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. So we get this 1 plus tan square x and again minus 4 tan square x as it is. Check the denominator. This 3 and 3 tan square x minus 4 tan square x is minus tan square of x, and then we have to put tan of x equal to t, and therefore sec square x dx equal to dt, and so numerator will become simply dt, and in the denominator this 3 minus and tan square x means t square. This is now in the standard form, so again we will use 3 means root 3 square, and so this is in the standard form 1 upon a square minus x square, that means third integral formula, and so its answer is 1 upon 2a, a means root 3 log of, then upside we will write plus term, that means root 3 plus t, and downside root 3 minus t, and then plus c, and again in the last step we will substitute t means tan of x. We will substitute this t means tan of x, so answer is root 3 plus tan of x upon root 3 minus tan of x, and then plus c. Our final answer. So here we have completed this type, and next type we are going to look in the next lecture.